Welcome to Hard Biblical Questions, exploring Scripture's tough topics. Throughout the Bible, the number one holds profound significance and symbolizes unity, primacy, and singularity. Let's explore what makes this number special, focusing on Deuteronomy 6:4 and John 14:6. Deuteronomy 6:4, part of the Shema, is a central declaration of faith in Judaism. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. This verse emphasizes the oneness of God, underscoring the foundational belief in a single, all-powerful creator, setting the foundation for monotheism. The special nature of the number one is evident here, representing unity and the indivisible nature of God. In the New Testament, the Gospel of John further illuminates this concept. In John 14:6, Jesus says, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." This statement highlights exclusivity and universality in access to God, presenting Jesus as the singular path to divine relationship and ultimate truth. The number one is significant here, denoting not only oneness with the Father, but also the sole mediator between humanity and God. These scriptures underscore the profound biblical theme of oneness. They remind believers of the need for singular devotion and faith. Such references to the number one advocate for the unity of belief, purpose, and community under one God. Its recurring theme is central to understanding God's nature and our relationship with Him. Through the lens of Deuteronomy and John, we see a call for unity in faith, aligning our lives with the one true source of life and meaning. The number one, therefore, is more than a numerical figure. In the biblical context, it embodies unity with God and a clear pathway to spiritual fulfillment. It encourages believers to embrace a unified faith and purpose centered on the oneness of God and the singular path to salvation through Christ. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like Short Bible Stories, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.